I am Lydia Yanni, and I'm in charge of counseling and awareness, yes, and developing leaders. The organization called AYC is a Christian organization, Alexandria Youth Committee. We use ProProfs for equipping leaders. We start with the people who have succeeded and see the course with them for workshop. So we don't do workshops for all in the beginning, and we don't know if the leader is serious. We were going to each church and do all the workshops from the beginning, but we started with a very large number of people, and from the second time and the third meeting, the numbers were very limited. They are like the cone. So the ProProfs do this for us. If there is no ProProfs, we will do like conferences, and each conference is, we can spend a lot with the wrong people. But with ProProfs, we can target the right person. Instead of consuming all this time and effort and money in the conferences, we do it online, and then we can focus for the target people. I was searching online for a platform who supports Arabic, who has good security. The price is not that big, and support is good. ProProfs came first. I think for us, Arabic, it supports Arabic, and the security, people can download the videos, and I think the report, searching, downloading report. I think your support, you are interested and you focus on the customer and the relation with what we need. You try hard to enhance and to improve and to make a relation with the client.